The BMW X1 F48, produced from 2015 to the present, primarily uses an 8-speed Aisin automatic transmission. This section introduces the gearbox and sets the stage for understanding its key features. The transmission is the heart of the vehicle's power delivery system, seamlessly managing gear changes. This video explains how to effectively use its three main modes: drive for everyday efficiency, sport for performance, and manual for direct control. The transmission adapts through advanced software, receiving over-the-air updates that improve shift smoothness and fuel economy. Drive mode is the default setting for everyday driving. The Transmission Control Unit, or TCU, uses adaptive algorithms that monitor your speed, throttle input, and road conditions to automatically select the most fuel-efficient gear. Expect smooth shifts and optimized MPG, around 30 to 35 mpg combined for the 2.0-liter diesel model in real-world conditions. It's designed for comfortable, efficient commutes. To activate sport mode in the BMW X1, pull the gear selector back or press the S button on the center console. Once in sport mode, the transmission lowers shift points and holds gears longer, resulting in quicker acceleration. The throttle becomes more responsive, and steering and suspension settings adjust for a dynamic driving feel. This provides a sportier driving experience, with 0 to 60 miles per hour times under 7 seconds for turbocharged models. To enter manual mode, move the gear selector to M or use the steering wheel paddles if your X1 is equipped with them. In manual mode, you have direct control over upshifts and downshifts. The ECU prevents engine damage by limiting revs, and the paddles provide tactile feedback. If left inactive, the system will revert to D mode automatically. Remember to start the engine in park, shift to drive for forward motion, and use the brake for smooth stops. Always start the engine in P park and shift to D drive for forward motion. Use the brake for smooth stops. Avoid abruptly shifting into M mode at high speeds without experience. The Transmission Control Unit uses data from sensors and driver inputs to predict shifts, even using GPS data for route-based gear selection. In urban driving conditions like those in European cities such as Paris, BMW X1 xDrive 25e hybrid drivers experienced up to 12% fuel savings when using drive mode during daily commutes. The adaptive shifting technology optimizes gear selection for stop-and-go traffic, reducing unnecessary revving and improving efficiency. On the other hand, when driving on high-speed roads like Germany's Autobahn, an X1 28i in sport mode maintained consistent cruising speeds of 130 miles per hour, with only 4 to 5 gear shifts over a 100-mile journey. This demonstrates the transmission's durability and ability to hold gears for optimal performance at highway speeds. Maintaining your BMW X1's automatic gearbox involves keeping the software updated. The Transmission Control Unit, or TCU, is the brain that controls gear shifts. Software glitches in the TCU can cause erratic shifting, particularly noticeable in manual mode when you're controlling gears directly. BMW provides free over-the-air updates for many X1 models. These updates are delivered wirelessly through your car's internet connection, improving efficiency and smoothness without visiting a dealership. A 2023 recall affected early F48 models from 2015 to 2018, where TCU glitches led to unpredictable shifts in manual mode. BMW resolved this through software patches, offering free updates to affected owners. For troubleshooting, check for available updates through your iDrive system. If issues persist, consult a BMW service center. Regular software maintenance ensures your X1's gearbox performs reliably. Future trends in automotive transmissions point toward electrification and automation. BMW is leading with the X1's mild hybrid variants, which use 48-volt systems for regenerative braking that capture energy during deceleration and improve transmission efficiency by up to 15%. These 48-volt systems integrate seamlessly with the automatic gearbox, providing smoother operation in stop-start traffic and reducing fuel consumption. While traditional automatic transmissions like the X1's 8-speed may phase out by 2030 as electric vehicles dominate, the current system serves as a benchmark for internal combustion engine vehicles during this transition period. Looking ahead, the X1's automatic gearbox could benefit from AI-driven shifting that learns driver habits, along with over-the-air updates for enhanced performance and efficiency.